Hey, we're Vulcan Motorworks. Welcome back to our channel. Last video we left off pulling the bumper on this M5 to get to the stubborn gas tank strap bolt. If you haven't seen that part, you can go back and watch it now. Today we're picking up where we left off. Hopefully it won't give us too much trouble. So I've had this thing soaking in lube overnight and it still won't budge like I thought. So it needs some heat to get it out. But because the gas tank is right here, I don't want to put a torch to it. That's where this guy comes in hand. It's an induction heater. You put it over and it heats just the metal around there. Safe to use around the gas tank. Let's try it out. And there you go. Bolt is still pretty hot, but came out so easily with the heat. I love it. Alright, so we got the old one out. That's how it looks. You can see what they did basically. It broke around here and they just welded a little piece on there. Not great. Here's the new one. I mean, it's not exactly new. Came off a car, but it's in really good shape. Looks like it was replaced at some point at the dealer. I gave it a little bit of paint to make it look better. And we'll throw it on and it'll be good. This is the old bolt that came off of there. I don't know if you can see it too well, but it's really rusty and I'm not putting it back in there because this was really hard to take off. So I got this. Instead of being a 6mm Allen, it's just a regular hex head and it's coated and plated. So hopefully it won't rust. I'll put anti-seize on there. If I ever have to take it out again, it won't be too hard. And now I'm gonna try to get the other side out. It's still holding. I just want to take out the bolt from now and maybe clean it up a little bit in case I have to take it out in the future. So let's see how it goes. Actually, this one came out pretty easy and it's in decent shape, so I'll just clean it up, put some anti-seize on it again and throw it back in. Alright, now since I'm tired of working underneath the car, I thought I'll move inside here to get a little change of scenery. This has been bugging me for a while. It's the wiring for the illuminated shift knob. Now, I don't know what happened, but it was just hanging like this. So I'm gonna try to pull it apart and see if I can fix it. I turned off the light, so let me see if I can show you what it's supposed to do. So you see, no lights on there. If I just touch it together, it should light up. Aha. So it does work, just has a bad connection, but let's see if we can fix it. And it's out. So here you can see where it ripped, if it'll focus. So the wire broke here. We'll try to fix it. I don't know if it's going to be pretty, but see what we can do. Now, I can already hear the comments. Why don't you replace the shifter with a new one? This one is old and worn. But like I said in the last video, the point isn't to make the car new, but to fix it up as good as we can, so we can put lots of miles on the car without feeling guilty. It's a driver's car that's meant to be driven, and a little patina never hurts. Not the prettiest, but it'll hold. And there you have it, just like that. It's fixed. I probably should replace this thing, but honestly it's working right now. So I'm not too bothered. As long as it's functioning okay, I'll leave it like that. And here's the M5 as it sits now. Still a little dirty, still a little broken, but we're fixing it up one piece at a time. Thanks for following along. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more of this M5.